Welcome back to the McCall's baking channel. Today we will be making a fun, beautiful doll cake. Under a perfect buttercream dress is actually layers of tasty cake. This is a perfect cake to serve at a birthday party, a tea party, or any time when a cute cake is needed. So let's get started and you can see how simple it is to put together your own doll cake. You will need a 12-inch cake board, a small 4-inch cake, a 6-inch cake, an 8-inch cake, and a 9-inch cake. You will also need a plastic doll. You'll be making her a big, fluffy dress, so it's okay if she doesn't have any legs. Grab some McCall's vanilla buttercream icing, McCall's rolled fondant, and some pink McCall's gel food coloring. Cut the tops off your cake to make sure they are level. Slice the cake layers in half using your turntable to keep each layer level as well. Place one of the largest cake layers on your cake board and spread with your vanilla buttercream over the cake using an offset spatula. Place a second layer of cake on top of the first and then cover this layer with frosting as well. While we used vanilla buttercream, you can definitely use chocolate or any of your favorite flavored buttercreams to fill the cake. Place a medium-sized cake layer on top of the stack and frost once again. Continue this process stacking the cakes from largest to smallest and putting a nice layer of frosting in between each layer. You should have a tall stack of delicious cake when you're done. The bigger the cake, the bigger your doll's dress will be. You can also adjust the size of the cake based on how many people you are serving, making the cake and the dress bigger or smaller. Use a large serrated knife to gently saw down the sides of the cake, trimming the cake edges so they are flush with each other. Only cut off a small amount at a time, bringing your knife down from the top of the cake to the bottom. You want to remove any hard edges and make the cake look like a smooth cone. Move the cake to a clean cake board. Use a large offset spatula to place a thin layer of buttercream around the entire cake. This is called a crumb coat, as it will help seal the crumbs to the cake and prevent them from showing in the final layer of icing. Start at the bottom and work your way to the top as you frost. Add a second layer of frosting over the crumb coating. Add a few drops of the pink gel food coloring to a bowl of vanilla buttercream. Add more if you'd like a deeper shade of pink. Of course, you can make the dress any color you'd like. Just be sure to use gel food coloring as it is thicker and blends into the buttercream best. Knead a piece of white fondant to soften. Roll the white fondant into a thin sheet, dusting it with cornstarch as needed to prevent it from sticking. Use a small offset spatula or knife to trim the fondant into the rough shape of a skirt. It does not have to be exact as we will be decorating around the edges. Stick the fondant to the cake, lining the wider bottom up with the bottom of the cake. Trim the bottom of the fondant so it's flush with the cake board. Cut off any excess fondant from the top of the cake. Scoop the pink buttercream into a plastic McCall's piping bag fitted with a Petal pastry tip, keeping the pink on one side. Add some white buttercream to the other side of the bag. Separating the colors like this will help give your dress dimension when you pipe and frost later on. Start at the bottom of the cake and pipe around the base, moving your pastry bag back and forth to create a ruffle as you pipe. Make sure the white is on top and the pink frosting is on bottom. Do not pipe over the fondant piece in the front of the dress, but just cover the entire back of the cake with this frilly frosting. Did you know that ball gowns were first made with large skirts so that women looked like they were floating as they danced? This doll's dress will certainly look like a beautiful classic gown when you're done. She's going to be ready for any ball. Place the doll in the center of the cake, making sure she's facing forward toward the white fondant piece. Pipe around the top of the cake and onto the doll, dressing her in a buttercream skirt. Pipe the top of the doll's dress in buttercream as well. You can get creative with the style of the top, just make sure she's fully covered. We use a small star tip to pipe the top of the dress for this doll. Add a few buttercream details to the front of the dress. You can also write happy birthday or any message on the fondant section. Now that the frosting is complete, you can let your doll's hair down and style it however you'd like. Add a ribbon around the doll's waist in the front and back of the dress. Your perfect doll cake is now complete. This masterpiece is so beautiful that you can't even tell it's made from cake. This dessert is sure to be a showstopper at your next party and will be the favorite of kids and adults alike. Did you love learning how to make such a beautiful doll dress cake? Well, we have even more videos to share with you on our YouTube channel. Subscribe today so you never miss a video. We have new ones all the time. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. You can get all the supplies you need to make this cake at McCalls.ca. When you make this perfect doll cake, tag us at Love McCalls so we can see your creations. What color will your doll's dress be? We can't wait to find out. So have fun making this whimsical cake creation, and we'll see you next time.